Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. We're so excited to have our new Woodmizer sawmill here at home, ready to start putting it to use. We're going to be cutting our first log today. First log without any coaching and help from the Woodmizer guys. We've got lots of projects lined up. Number one on the list is a new woodshed to go next to our new wood stove. The old one burned down, as you know, and so we're going to be using the sawmill to cut up lots of parts and pieces for the new woodshed. We're ready to get started, so y'all stay with us.
There she is. We're very excited.
So we've got the sawmill set up, and it takes a few minutes for the first setup with the jacks down and getting it kind of level. But I'm going to go get the tractor and grab a log, and we'll see what we can do with the first log. You're not going to believe what happened. In all my years of driving this tractor, I've never done this. I had the key in my hand. I dropped the key in a place that was almost impossible to get it out of. Check this out. So I dropped the tractor key right down in this hole right here where the gear shift is. And I could see it, but I couldn't reach it. And Sarah found one of those like extend-a-magnetic things that has a magnet on the end with a long stick. Got it. I can get it out. And we were able to fish it out. Hold on. I got it.
Sweet.
Oh boy. It's just one of those things that you're trying to hurry, you're trying to get stuff done, you're trying to be productive, and what do? You drop a key down in a hole that's like the size of a mouse hole.
We're out here at our log pile. These pine logs have been down a little bit, but I think this is going to be our first go of it.
So this is our first log on the sawmill. It's a pine log. It's about 11 feet long, and we're excited to be using the sawmill, and we're going to give it a try. is our first 8x8
That is beautiful.
off of our new sawmill. So we're going to call that a success. First time using the sawmill. This log turned out a whole lot better than we thought it would. If you saw at the beginning, it was kind of a dirty log, and turned out really nice. So great to have the sawmill. Very excited to start using it. We've got so many uses for it here on the property, and gosh, first log done. So if you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.